Hello, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from where you're watching this from. This is Marsha Creatives, the home of creative tech, and this is the second video. We're continuing with our tutorial of how to design using Elementor. So how to design a website basically using Elementor and WordPress. So if you're new to this channel, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and let's jump in. So I'm already logged into my WordPress. What I just did, I just right clicked over here, or I just clicked on my page. We already learned how to create these pages, so if you don't know how, there's a video before this that you can check it out. So once you open that page, just click edit with Elementor and you should find yourself here. So the first thing is removing the page title over here. So just go to this setting icon on top, click on it and click on hide title. So our title has been hidden. So the next thing, let's input in our data, or let's design our about us page or who we are page. So this is how it's done. So the first thing, click on that plus symbol, click on that full section, and for this one we are going to go to where it says height and give it a minimum height. I'll maintain it at 400 pixels. I think that is okay. So let's give it a background of our primary color or secondary color, which is green, and also we're going to give it a background overlay of of an image. So let me just check my library if I have an image that I can use. Okay, I'm going to use this. So that is how it's going to look like, but I'm going to lower the opacity to something that looks like that. Then I'm just going to bring in my title. Let's go to where it says add element, click on that, then click the heading, drag, drop it here, the center, position it as center, change the color to white. Go back and I'm just going to say who, or let's just call this about. Yeah, we're going to call it about Jose Jr. Tours and Travel. Yeah, so let's bring in our description. So for this one, I just maintain the heading as it is, and I'm just going to create another section over here like that. Then I'm going to insert, and I'm going to give it a padding of top and bottom. So go to advanced and link the paddings and give a top of 50 and a bottom of 50. Then the next thing is bring in an inner section. I'll drop it over here. I'll delete one of the columns. I'll remain it one column. Then I will make the width of this to around 800. Then I'm going to give it a solid background, which is our one of our global colors, which is the shade of green, like that. Then I'm going to bring in another thing, which is our text editor, drag and drop it inside here. Voila, there we go. So as you can see, there is no paddings inside here. So I'll click on this column and I'll go to advance the column, then I'll give padding of 50 all round. Yeah, like that. So that means we can remove the first paddings that we created on the main section. So let's just remove this. Yeah, just remove the top one because we need the bottom one. Okay, then for this one, let's input in our description. I'm going to paste it like that. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this inner section a negative margin, so it goes up, a negative margin. Yeah, so just go to advanced where it says margin and link the margins and give it a negative. I want it to go up so that it appears like I don't know how to explain it, but that's what I'm trying to do. So if you give it a negative margin, it goes negatively above that. Then the next section is over here. I'm going to create two sections. I'm going to create another full section. Go to advanced paddings and link the paddings and give top 50 and bottom 50. So inside here we are going to have an inner section with 2 columns. We have this column and this column. So we are going to, I'm also going to bring in something called an icon box. This one, click, drag it inside here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this our mission. The heading will be our mission. Then I'll input in the mission over here like that. I'll change the icon to the bull's eye like that. Then now let's style it. So the icon spacing, I'll reduce that. The content spacing also, I'll reduce it like that. Okay, let's try have it like this. Yeah, I think it looks okay like that. Then I have another description that I wanna put here, but I won't put it because I'm going to have an image here, so to break the monotony of too much text. So I'll just take this to the right. Then I'll have the image here on the left column. So image, click and drag right there. Then let's see which image we're going to use over here. So I'm just going to pick this image, and yes, you can see it fits really well. So I'm going to give it a border radius of like 5. Yeah, so that now I have something like that. Then I'll click on this inner section, then I'll go to vertical alignment, vertical align, and give it middle so that it is properly aligned like that. The next thing is another full column. So basically, designing with Elementor, you just need to understand how to create the columns, the inner sections, and all of that. So here's another full section. Same thing, just go to paddings and link them. Give a top padding of 50 and a bottom padding of 50. Now for this one, I'm going to have it full green background. So I'm just going to give it like that. Then I'm just going to have some text inside it. So I just drag my text editor here, click, drag it inside here. Then I'll paste my content. Then I'll change this to white. Okay, I still feel we need an inner section so that we can reduce the width. So for me, I usually use an inner section. I'll click, I'll drag it in here. I'll delete one of the columns. I'll drag this content inside here. Then I click my inner section, go to where it says width, and give it 900. And voila, that is okay. I'll also change the alignment here to center line like that. And let's move to the next section. The next section will be why choose us, and I already have that section on my homepage, I think, which is this one. So I won't repeat it. I'll just copy as it is and just paste that section here. So designing that section is not difficult. I just did a full section, gave it a padding of 50 and a padding of 50 at the bottom. My heading, text editor over here. With that, I inputted an inner section with 2 columns. Reduce one of the column on the left, and I had my this is called an accordion. You can just search it when you click on add element. Then I just input in this the heading and the description basically, and this is just an image. So since we have used this image on the homepage, let's just change it. So click on it, click on choose image, and let's see which image we're going to use over here. Maybe this one, and voila. So that is done for the about us page. I usually don't do a lot of content here. I don't input a lot of data, because basically one should come here and understand just about the company and nothing much. Okay, so after this, I think I'll just have my call to action. For me, my call to action is usually mostly the same, so I just copy the one I have on the homepage and just paste it here. And let's just close the editor and see how our about us page looks like. So that is the hero section, about Jose Junior Tours and Travel, some description. At the mission over here, I feel there's a lot of spacing here, so let's reduce that. So that means we use this. We had on this column, let's remove the bottom paddings over here. Yes, so that we have something like that. Then our mission over here, then more descriptions, then why choose us, the call to action, where one can just click on this button and make a booking. So yeah, that is all for this about us page, nothing much. So this is Marsha Creatives. Ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and let's meet on the next one. Peace.